How to change the email contact form submission get sent to on a Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the submission email on Squarespace. So we are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going to find this page. We are going to click on account dashboard. Normally it is going to be the dashboard for the account. We are going to select the website, click on go to website, and boom. Now what we're going to do is to head over the, not the email campaign, but basically the setting. We can go ahead and head over here on the marketing, and then we're going to, not the marketing, but I think that we have got it from here, but it doesn't matter. I think that they have changed the placement of it. So we are going to head over the website, click on pages, select the page that we want to add the form. For example, I'm going to add it into the home page. So let's call that like this. I'm going to click on edit. Now I'm going to add a section, a blank section, and we're going to add a block. This block is going to be a form. So the form is going to be like that. So now I'm going to click on the edit button to edit the form. But also you can go ahead and have the storage, which is going to be where these forms are going to be sent. Click on it. You can manage submission from here. Email notification. So you're going to receive an email when someone sends you a form response. We're here. So you can go ahead and set up the storage from here, or you can go ahead and disconnect it and add, for example, additional storage like Zapier, MailChimp, or Google Drive. It is going to be stocking or saving these emails to, or the forms to, these platforms. And you can go ahead and set up the notification, for example. You need to do that. Also, the storage is going to be changed right there, or it is going to be, let's say here, stored on Squarespace. So you do not forget to save. Click on exit when you finish, and here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.